So fuel pump on an EK, you need a 10mm, pair of pliers and a screwdriver. There's a 10mm at the base of the rear seat here you need to get out. And then just using both hands, obviously I was using one, you're going to want to peel up the back seat and pull it out of the way, and it just clips off at the front. Once you're in, you've got 4 screws, just put them to the sides. And then you want to unplug the fuel pump, just a little clip there. Use your pliers to take off the clip here. This clip was a bit rusty, so it was a little bit wobbly and a pain to do, but it'll absolutely be fine. And then you're going to want to slide that pipe off as well. Mine came off with the clip. Yours might not. You might have to use the pliers on it. And then you're going to squeeze this clip in, push the pipe forwards a little bit and pull it back off. And to stop getting fuel all over my fingers, I just popped it off with a screwdriver once it was unclipped. And then you just got 10mm bolts all the way around. And you're probably going to have to pull it up and wiggle it out a little bit because the fuel sock kind of gets caught a little bit. This was a Walbro 255, so it had a slightly bigger sock on it. Putting it back in is exactly the opposite. Before you bolt it all down and screw the cap back on, turn the ignition on and make sure it's priming and you've not just fitted another dead pump or whatever. And then just the reverse, and that's it. Super simple.